Good morning, guys. So today I have a little bit of a long day. I have a bridal shower for Jeremy's cousin this afternoon, and then we have Jeremy's work Christmas / retirement party. So I thought it would be fun to kind of take you guys through my day getting ready. I don't know. I thought this would be something different. I've never done anything like vlog style before. So I thought this would be something different. So yeah, this morning I'm gonna have some coffee, and then I'm going to take you along with me as I get ready. It's about 7:30 this morning, so I have to be ready by noon. I don't want you guys to think like I take an entire day to get ready, but yeah, I very rarely get dressed up anymore. Like, we just don't do anything where I like have to do my hair and my makeup and like dress a certain way. Like, we just don't do those kinds of events anymore. So yeah, this is gonna be fun for me. I haven't gotten dressed up in a really long time, so this is just gonna be fun for me. If you guys would be interested in getting ready with me, like event style, then I guess please stay tuned. Okay, so this is outfit number 1 for the day. I am headed off to a bridal shower for Jeremy's cousin, so I just wanted to be, you know, cute but comfortable. So I am basically wearing pajamas. This jumpsuit is from Impressions Online, and it's just a spaghetti strap jumper that kind of crisscrosses in the back, and it kind of bunches up right here. It's nice and stretchy and flowy and a little bit too long, but you know, I bought this for our honeymoon and it was super comfortable, so I'm excited to finally be able to wear it again. And then I paired it with a bralette because, you know, you don't really want to have your bra strap showing. And this bralette is kind of old. It's from a boutique here in Kearney called Bow and Arrow. And then I just paired it with this really old denim jacket. It's almost like too small for me, but it kind of works because it kind of hits me right where the jumpsuit bunches up. But it's stretchy. I don't remember where I bought it. If you guys have any recommendations for like a really good place to get denim jackets, I like desperately need a new one because I keep buying them and they aren't working out. And then, so my jewelry for today, these earrings are just from Target. And this ring is from Target that I just bought. It's super cute and like simple. And then of course my wedding band. And then I don't have a lot of bracelets, but I wanted something on my wrist today. This is the bracelet that I wore for my wedding. But I really like it and thought it kind of added some shine. So I'm gonna go paint my toenails, and then I'm just gonna wear some like simple flat sandals, I think. I don't know. I haven't really thought that far, but yeah, this is the first outfit of the day. Alrighty, we have outfit number 2 for the day. I think, let me see, where did I get this dress? Oh, this dress is from Lulu's, and it's like one of those wrap dresses. I got it in the fall, actually, and it's very fall. It's like this navy and floral print, but I don't have a whole lot of like choices right now. I need to desperately go shopping for some spring items, but it's still pretty cold here, so I paired it with these purple tights and these camel colored boots. These are from Old Navy. So yeah, I literally just got home from the bridal shower and now I'm quick changing. I kind of touched up my makeup a little bit, and yeah, we are headed out for the Christmas party in April.
All right, let's go.
Hey guys, so it is actually the next day after the retirement party. I was so busy yesterday that I forgot to get like an outro to this video. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. We had such a fun time at what was it called? It was an employee recognition banquet, which was basically like the retirement party, and they combined it with the Christmas party, and they recognized people for their certain amount of years with the company. So it was a lot of fun. It was fun to see people that we don't normally see. I mean, Jeremy sees the guys all the time at work, but it was fun to like chat with their wives and kind of catch up with people that we don't normally see. There was a comedian too that we've seen before, which was kind of fun to reconnect with him. And yeah, we had such a fun time, and I had such a fun time filming my, you know, get ready with me like vlog style. So if you guys like that type of video, please let me know, because it's fun for me to record that kind of thing, but I don't know if it's fun for you guys to watch. So anyway, I just wanted to pop back in and say thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I upload. And yeah, I guess I'll just see you next time.